दारे इस्लाम में दाखिल होने वाले मारूफ मौसीकार उमर साइमन की पहली नात 29 मार्च को डबलिन से लॉन्च होगी।
साइमन का कहना था कि उनकी कोशिश है कि वो अपनी आवाज़ के जरिए इस्लाम का पैगाम पूरी दुनिया तक पहुंचा सकें। उमर साइमन का नुमाइंदा 92 न्यूज़ फैसल मिर्जा से गुफ्तगू के दौरान क्या कहना था, देखिए।
My name is Umar Saimon, and alhamdulillah, I was born in London and grew up in the Caribbean island of Montserrat.
Umar, when did you convert into Islam?
I converted to Islam when I was, roughly about 20 years ago. Basically, I met a brother from Pakistan, and he taught me about Islam, and I was very impressed.
Umar, you were always with music? Music is just your passion, or music is your life? What about the music with you?
Alhamdulillah, music, I'd say yes, it's been a part of my life, a great part of my life growing up. And I saw no contradiction also, being a Muslim, growing up in the West, I saw no contradiction with doing music and still practicing my Islam.
Umar, your new idea, Nasheed plus music.
Yes.
What do you think? It will be successful? And what about your launching of new Nasheed here in Dublin?
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Well, yes, I hope it will be successful, inshallah. It's a song called Trust in Allah. It's going to be out, inshallah, this Friday, Jummah, 29th of March. And I'm hoping that a lot of people, inshallah, will, tune in and watch.